lighting right now. Um, so I would like to thank all of those who subscribe to the channel and who also continues to follow the content. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also go ahead and you can also like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Up, Gaza Uncle. I didn't see you go. Okay, thanks. I didn't see you going live, so I decided to just do a live until you're up and running. I'm just doing some lighting, but yeah, thanks, Uncle. Much much appreciated. And once you go live, I'll cut off my live. So basically, what I have here is normal lighting socket that people will use, and I'm basically going to use this for temporary lighting. Um, it's not permanent. It's just so I can get some light upstairs on the second floor. So also, another reason why I like to use my gloves is basically because when it comes to electrical, when it comes to electrical, as you know, there could be times when there's power on, could be times when there's no power. So normally I like to use my gloves because if I do happen to touch the wire, it doesn't do me anything. If it's live, it's not going to do me anything because I'm wearing gloves. Anything that's 120 volts or less, you're allowed to carry out live activities on the circuit. Anything above 120 volts, you have to take the proper precaution. Also, all those who are checking into your live, you can double tap to light up. It costs you nothing to light. So you can double tap to light up the light. Um, so basically, what I'm doing here is I'm going to be installing this. Like I said, it's just a normal light. Um, of course, I'm not going to be using it when it comes to the finishing. So again, just for temporary purposes. So again, it's also temporary purposes that I'm using my lighting. Again, you can double tap. You can double tap to light up the life. Also, another thing I like to do is I like to just take my tester, make sure there's no power, and I carry out my work accordingly, according to the. So again, you can light up the life. I hope you guys are hearing me, and I hope I'm not talking to myself. I did a couple of days ago. Um, so again, this is just temporary lighting I'm doing. Obviously, these lights, I'm not going to be using them inside of the. I'm not going to be using them inside of the home. It's just for a temporary purpose. So again, the reason why I'm basically not using them is because it doesn't make sense for me to install the regular lighting right now, as the job is not is still in process, and they still have to paint and the whole 9 yards. So I don't see the need to install the regular lighting. So for that reason, I'm using the light. Again, you guys can double tap to light up the life. So like I said, these are just temporary lighting I'm doing in every bedroom where I would have my smoke detectors. So I'm basically using my smoke detectors to to provide temporary lighting inside of the home. It's fast, efficient, gets the job done. Um, so that's basically what I'm doing. Um, so every room, as you may know, has a smoke detector. And as you can see, the smoke detector, I'm going to. So I try not to keep too many things on my ladder also because it becomes a hazard. Normally, this is what I will do to check to make sure my ladder is it's okay. There's going to be no falling hazard. I normally, once I get on my ladder, I move it around like that, make sure that my ladder is safe. Um, as you know, a hazard falling off of a ladder can be very dangerous, and it can put you out of work for a very long time. So for that reason, I take as much time as I need on my ladder. It's very important. Make sure that safety first, and you're basically not trying to rush to do your work. A lot of times when you rush, that's when the mistake is likely to happen. So I normally take my time working on the ladders. Uh, as you can see, also I have my gloves on. Normally, like I said, anything that's 120 volts, I don't require to circuit off. Um, so I normally, so again, I try on the ladder. There's too many things. It becomes just a hazard. Um, Also, as you guys come in, screen to like, you can also subscribe. You can also subscribe to the channel, stay up to date to to the content. Make sure that you turn the notification to all. That way you receive my so again, like I said, I try not to go up on the ladder with too many things, and there's a a contact rule that you're always supposed to have your hands at all times on the ladder. So a lot of people are not aware of that. If you weren't aware of that, then you'd be aware that when it comes to using the ladder, you're supposed to maintain all contact on the ladder at all times. Obviously, right now, my body is touching the ladder, so that is considered part of maintaining my contact. And like you can see, I take my time. I come off my ladder to make sure both my hands are on my ladder. It's very important to remember that. A lot of people tend to forget about the contact rule, and that's when uh, most mistakes will happen. So again, today's video is just about lighting. I'm just going around doing some temporary light. I'm using the smoke detector circuit to install my lights. Obviously, the reason why I'm using the smoke detector circuit is because I can power up the circuit right away. And so again, as you guys, this is just temp lighting I'm doing. As you guys come in, you can double tap the screen to light up your life. It doesn't cost anything; it's free. And I'm basically just working away on my lighting using the smoke detector circuit. That's how I'm going to be providing the lighting right now. So again, I'm just doing my temporary lighting with the smoke detector circuit. Fast, easy, and efficient. I will be able to turn this circuit on within no time. Obviously, the circuit is already on, but there's a connection that has to be made in order to power up these lights. So right now I'm currently not working live. Um, there's no power inside of the circuit. But if I happen to, if for some reason, strange reason, that the circuit did liven up, I do have a set of gloves that I'm wearing. Um, these gloves basically allows me to play around with anything less than 120 volts, obviously. So very important. So again, every room will get a smoke detector. Um, so so again, every room will get a smoke detector. So basically, that's what I'm using to provide temporary. So obviously, so basically, this wire here, I'm just going to be using for temporary. So it's always, um, I always make sure I have some scrap wire around. Um, as I said, it's just temporary lighting, so I don't want to permanently connect it to the circuit. So this is basically how I scrap up Gaza. Is that Gaza? Thanks for checking in. Uh, just doing a live. Um, also, Erika Scott. Yes, thanks for checking in to the live. Yes, thank you very much. I'm just doing some temporary lighting, and so I'm just doing some temporary. Oh yes, yes, for sure. I usually do the live stream. Before the holidays, I used to do the live streams every day almost. when I get on the job site. Um, yes, Erika, I used to do the live stream every day. So after the holidays, I was around the holidays. I was a little bit sick, so I had to get back into the groove. So a lot of times I do a live stream. Sometimes it's in the morning, sometimes it's in the evening. Um, but again, what I'm basically doing is temporary lighting, and obviously these are just temporary that I'm using. Yes, definitely. I needed to take a week off to heal and stuff, and that's what I did, and I feel great now. And yeah, so I'm back out to work. Uh, but yeah, I feel a lot better. Um, Also, as you will see that normally there's a rule also when you're going up on the ladder. Normally, when I go up on my ladder, I just make sure that I move my ladder around to make sure that it's secure. Obviously, I don't want to fall off the ladder, and there's a contact that you're supposed to always have your hands on the ladder at all times, and it's something that I maintain. Obviously, I normally take my time to go up on the ladder, and then it's just stuff that I've learned um, throughout the years of being in the trade when it comes to the safety aspect of trying not to have an injury. It could be very devastating, and obviously, you know, injuries do put you out of work for a very long time. Um, you know, um, when it comes to me working in the field, um, I've never sustained any type of injuries. I've never fallen off of a ladder. So obviously, it's very important when it comes to working off of the ladder. Again, I'd like to thank all of those who have checked into to my life. It's a blessing for the continuing support of the channel. Um, so again, a lot of the content that I put out, it's a lot of content that you know it's a daily it's my daily work that I do, and so I come on the live, and I will show you guys how I go about my daily job, the safeties I take to go about doing my job. Um, a lot of people are not aware that there's a lot of injuries that happens when it comes to electrical. It could be, off of a ladder. It could be arc flash. It could be anything at any given moment. But um, as long as you're maintaining your code rules and so on, that's why I keep saying that the code is my number one priority. I follow it to the T. Um, Obviously, it was put in place for a reason to avoid certain situations and certain oopsies from happening. So, so again, this is just temporary lighting that so again, this is just temporary lighting that I'm doing. Um, Nothing too crazy. Uh, yes, 100% a week. Esri, trying to pronounce Isria Scott. Hope I got that name right. Yes, it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Isria, okay. Yeah, so it's nothing too crazy I'm doing today. Like I said, I'm just doing the lighting. Um, so um, that there is my smoke detector. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using that circuit to power up the lighting. It's fast, quick, and efficient, and there's no need for me to run around and try to install other lighting. And I can basically use the smoke detector circuit. Basically, what the smoke detector circuit is it's normally a circuit that is combined with the lighting, and the reason why we combine it with the lighting is once the power goes down, um, once the power goes down with the lighting circuit, the smoke detector will not be working, and it's going to it's going to let you know. So most of the time, you know, when a lighting circuit is down, you know there's an issue. You obviously know that there's an issue with your smoke. Your smoke detector is off also. So for that reason, we only hook up the smoke detectors on the lighting circuit. Um, it is a rule that it is in the code book. So for that reason, um, all smoke detectors are connected to the lighting circuit. Also, a lot of times when I do go live, um, a lot of times I don't plan my lives. So for all those who are subscribe to the channel. Just make sure the notification is turned to all. Reason being is there are other workers inside of here that are working, and a lot of times they have the music on, and I don't want to get the copyright, so I kind of stay with uh, from them. So I kind of from them when they are going to be working downstairs. Just again, reason being is because I don't want to get the copyright with the music. So again, that was just a quick live of how I normally do my lighting as I'm winding down. Um, yes, Isaac Gazer, thanks again for checking in to the channel. Um, so, as you know, it was just a quick live. And Uncle's going live right now, so I'm going to head over there. But it was just a quick live, and I'd like to thank you guys for all checking into the live. Isaac Gaza. I'd like to thank Ezria Scott. Also, yes, Happy New Year to you also, Isaac Gaza. Happy New Year to you also. I'd like to thank Gaza Uncle also for checking in. And again, Sasha Ice, Kim, State of Dancehall, Up Movement TV, Revive TV, Jamaica Revive TV Entertainment, Gaza Libra, um, DJ Bullet, um, Asa Mario, Cash Cow, known as Mr. British, and there's a lot more who always tune into the live stream. So yes, um, Isria, thank you for checking into the live for the first time, and and normally, like I said, I don't plan the lives. I just come out and I do the live stream. So again, thank you guys all, and I will see you guys on the next video.